This is industrial wastewater. It's over 10,000 parts per million oil and grease. There is cutting oils, cooling fluids, glycols, detergents, surfactants, other contaminants in this water. And our challenge is to turn it into water that is better than Illinois River discharge standards. You can see what's accumulating on the top of the pond here. It's just a thick, greasy sludge. And our process is to extract the water from the lagoon. This is the beginning of our process, the submersible pump. And we'll remove the oil and grease from the top of the water, and we'll take this water to treat it to better than Illinois River discharge standards. So here is the Hydrus HTX water treatment unit. It's been developed by Hydrus technology and built here in Illinois. Our approach to water is to understand the water matrix from the client's wastewater stream and to understand in deep detail what they need the water to look like after it's been treated, whether that be to environmental discharge standards or just for industrial reuse, or even to avoid the need to re-inject contaminated waste down a deep water re-injection well. So when the water enters the container, it comes in from the customer's supply, their lagoon, their pond, their frac tank, their turkey's nest, whatever it might be. The water runs through into the balance tank, and we'll dose the water with some catalysts. Depending on the client's output water requirements, we'll add a certain catalyst or catalysts to begin a reaction with the water. The water will then pass through the unit. It'll be controlled pneumatically through all these valve trees and will be dosed through our proprietary HTX water treatment tank, which is controlled by our proprietary panels. These have been designed by Hydrus technology. We own the intellectual property, we own the patents on these, on this hardware, and they've been built here in the US. As the water is treated in the HTX unit, the water is pumped into our proprietary clarifiers. Into the centre of the clarifier, the sludge, the dense material, the contaminants we're removing from the water is pumped then back into the container, into the HTX unit to be pressed, and comes out into the sludge skip where it's removed as landfill. The treated water comes off the top of the clarifier and is pumped back into the HTX unit where it is put through a final polishing stage and then delivered to the client for industrial reuse or safe environmental discharge.